Hi friends, welcome to my YouTube channel Netaji Tally Education Center. Friends, in my previous video, we discussed about how to create employer's statutory contribution and employer other charges pay heads. So today we discuss about how to create canteen deduction, reimbursement pay head, salary advance, gratuity, bonus. Okay friends, regarding this today we will discuss. Friends, those who are not subscribed to my channel till now, please subscribe to my channel. Okay, so let us start. Friends, for your reference, note down this deduction from employees pay head. Under this pay head type, canteen deductions will come. So create canteen deduction. Go to Gateway of Tally, select create, go to payroll master, select pay head, press enter. Type canteen deductions. Canteen deductions under indirect expenses. Pay head type, select deduction from employees. Under indirect expenses, select indirect expenses. Affect net salary, yes. Name to be displayed in pay slip, canteen deduction. Calculation type, select as user defined value, accept it. Friends, next we move to reimbursement to employees pay head. For example, medical allowances. The act of paying back money to someone who has spent it for you or lost it because of you, or the amount that is paid back. For example, travel allowances, medical allowances, boarding and lodging allowances, etc. Friends, suppose you are a sales manager or sales represent or marketing represent. So every day you are going to different parts of the region. So in that time, whatever the expenses made by you, that is earlier, that is paid by you only. So after submitting all your expenses bill to claim this one, that is called reimbursement. So for example, medical allowances. Type medical allowances. Medical allowances. Pay head type. Select reimbursement to employees. This is variable under indirect expenses. Affect net salary, yes. Name to be displayed in pay slip, medical allowances. Set alter income tax details. So select medical reimbursement and actual value, no TDS. Calculation type, select as user defined value. Okay friends, so next we move to loans and advances pay head, that is salary advance. Friends, company will provide advance facilities and loan facility to its employees. So regarding this, coming under loans and advances pay head. For example, salary advance. So go to Tally, type salary advance. Pay head type, select loans and advances. Loans and advances. Under loans and advances asset, affect net salary, yes. Name to be displayed in pay slip, salary advance. Calculation type, select as user defined value, accept. So next, gratuity pay heads. So what is the meaning of gratuity? It is given by the employer to his or her employee for the services rendered by him or her during the period of employment. It is usually paid at the time of retirement but can be paid earlier provided certain conditions are met. A person is eligible to receive gratuity only if he has completed minimum 5 years of service with an organization. So gratuity eligibility criteria. So when the gratuity you have to claim. So at the time of an employee retires. Second one, an employee resigns after working for 5 years with a single employer. So then only you are eligible to reclaim the gratuity. Last one, an employee passes away or suffers disability due to illness or accident. Suppose an employee is a death or disability, illness or accident. In this case, you can claim the gratuity. How to calculate gratuity? Who are covered under the Gratuity Act 1972, 15 into your last drawn salary into tenure of working divided by 26. This is the formula for calculating gratuity. So here 15 means in a month 30 days they will take 15 days. They will calculate only for 15 days. So 15 days into your last drawn salary, for example, that is 25,000 into tenure of working. That means number of years worked. For example, 20. So into 20 divided by 26, then your gratuity amount is 2,88,461.54. So like this, we have to calculate the gratuity amount. See here, who are covered under the Gratuity Act 1972, they will take 26 days in a month for calculation. Suppose you are not covered under the Gratuity Act, they will take 30 days. See here. Who are not covered under the Gratuity Act 1972. For example, if you have at a company for 10 years and 10 months and your salary is rupees 50,000, the calculation of the gratuity amount is done as follows. So 15 into 50,000 into 11. So here 10 years and 8 months. Friends, suppose you crossed more than 7 or 8 months, then only they will take round of 1 year. That's why here it is showing 11. 15 into 50,000 into 11 divided by 30. The result is 2.75 lakh is the gratuity amount. So like that we have to calculate the gratuity. When the gratuity calculated, it is calculated provisionally at the end of the each financial period to assess the possible liability of the company towards its employees. A gratuity provisional account is created to capture the details required for the calculation of the gratuity. Okay, go to the gateway of Tally, create, select payroll master, select pay head, press enter, type gratuity. Select gratuity. So, gratuity days of a month 26. Suppose you are not covered Gratuity Act 1972, you have to type 30. Okay, here I am typing 26. Number of month from 1 to 60 month, that is 5 years, 0. 61 to 120, 15 days, 15 days. Under current liability, provision. So current liability is a main group, provision is a subgroup. You can choose any one group. Here I am choosing provisions. Set alter income tax details. Gratuity and actual value. Deduct TDS across period now. Normal rounding method. Normal rounding. Limit 1. Accept. Okay friends. So next we move to bonus pay head. Bonus. So this is given by the employer to his employee regarding his performance during the year. A bonus is a financial compensation that is above and beyond the normal payment expectation of its recipient. Companies may award bonuses to both entry-level employees and to senior-level executives. While bonuses are traditionally given to exceptional workers, employers sometimes dole out bonuses company-wide to stave off jealousy among staffers. Okay friends, so go to pay head, bonus, pay head type, select bonus, under indirect expenses, affect net salary as, name to be displayed in payslip bonus, uses for calculation of gratuity no, set alter income details yes, and actual, deduct TDS across period no, as user defined value, calculation type select as user defined value. Okay friends, like this we have to create canteen deductions, reimbursement pay head, that is medical allowances, salary advance, gratuity, bonus. Okay friends, so please subscribe to my channel without fail. Okay, thank you for watching my video.